guys, welcome to Diane's World. Today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian egg rolls. These were my absolute favorite snacks growing up back in my country in Nigeria. I used to ask my mom to buy them all the time. I will be making two flavors, turmeric and paprika. So it is going to be a little bit on the spicy side, but if you like spices, you will love them. Even if you don't like spices, I recommend you try it anyway. So first we need to gather up our ingredients. You will need 250 grams of flour each of whole wheat and white all-purpose flour. Margarine, some sugar, baking powder, you will need some spices, salt, turmeric, oregano, and paprika. Some milk, and egg. You will need 2 eggs, one for each dough that we are going to make. And of course, you will also need to boil 6 eggs, which we will be using to make the egg rolls. I added an extra egg just in case. While the eggs are boiling, you can sift the flour. You can toss whatever is left in the sieve and then start to mix some of our dry ingredients. We will start by adding the salt, the baking powder, the oregano. Mix it all together. And of course, we have to mix in the sugar. We need to divide our flour into 2 portions. I will be using a measuring cup to do this. Remember to always keep everything clean. And now we will add the spices into separate bowls, one for the turmeric and one for the paprika. mix. Now we have a separate mixture for the turmeric and the paprika. Now we can start adding the other ingredients. Add 50 grams of butter and mix it in with your fingers. Then add 1 egg and then mix with your fingers again. You can of course wear gloves for this because the mixture will be quite sticky. And then pour a small amount of milk. If it's too sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. Your dough should look something like this. Next, we will cover the dough with a piece of cloth or a paper towel and leave it for about 10 minutes. Allowing the dough to rest will make it easier to mold. And now we will repeat the same process for the turmeric mixture. While the dough is resting, we will check on the eggs. Once your eggs are cooked, you should take them out of the fire and start to peel them. Once all the eggs are peeled, we can prepare the baking tray. I usually just line a baking tray with parchment paper and then spray it with a non-stick spray. Once our dough is rested, we can then start to knead it. To avoid the dough sticking to your fingers and to the counter, just apply some flour. I am starting with the paprika dough and we'll repeat the same process with the turmeric dough. Once the dough seems firm enough, we will divide it into 3. I like to use my fingers to measure. And then we will roll the dough into a ball using our hands, and then flatten it using a rolling pin. It should be about ½ an inch of thickness. At this point, we can then place the egg in the center of the flattened dough. Wrap the egg with the dough and then pinch the ends to close it. Check that it is properly sealed and then gently roll it in your palm. Once it looks ready, we will place it in our baking tray. Now we will repeat the same process with the remaining dough. As you can see here, I have 3 turmeric egg rolls and 3 paprika egg rolls. What we are going to do now is to apply some egg wash on top of them. For this, you will break an egg and use a pastry brush to apply. Once you are done applying the egg wash, it is time to put it in the oven. The egg rolls need to cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 30 minutes. When it is ready, take it out of the oven. At this point, you want to check if it's cooked, and you just get a stick and poke one of them. If it comes out dry, then it is cooked. And now our egg rolls are ready to eat. They are golden brown and delicious. They don't need to be perfectly round at the bottom. They just need to be cooked on the inside. And now I am just going to cut right through the middle so you can see what it looks like on the inside. This is the turmeric, and you can see it's a bit more yellow. Ah, it looks so yummy. Oh, yum. And now I'm going to cut the paprika, and it should look similar, but just a different color. Oh, that is beautiful. I love the paprika, my kids as well, but I also love the turmeric flavor because it's so unique. I'm so excited to try these. They came out so great. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you attempt this, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to see more African-inspired recipes, let me know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.